you want to make a telephone call? Do you want to phone somebody? Are you hungry? You're always hungry. You're always hungry. Yeah. Would you like something to eat? I fed you enough. You're going to make everybody think that I don't feed you. You kind of look rough. Rico. Rico? You want to tell everybody why you look rough? Huh? You're molting. It's okay. You're going to look all handsome again. You still look cute. Are you upset at me? You want to play peekaboo? You playing peekaboo with the telephone? Ready? Want to play peekaboo? 1, 2, 3. You want to make a phone call? Here. What's that? Is that the telephone? Nope. It's a telephone. Hey. Oh, it's too loud. Hello? Say something. Pick up the telephone. Say, pick it up. No, it's not the doggy. Here. You want the green ball? Get it, get it, get it. You gonna give kisses? Give kisses. You were giving kisses. Wanna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Mwah! Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah! Kisses, kisses. Mwah! You want me to tickle, tickle? Oh! What was that about? Good thing I wasn't near. What is it, a love-hate relationship? What did you do? Hey. Hey, Rico. Rico, I'm talking to you. No, don't ignore me. Don't me. Listen, you gotta eat. I'm talking to you. Hello? Over here. You gotta eat and then you gotta go to bed, okay? Okay? Yeah, no. Don't even try any. What am I gonna do with you? Look how rough you look. Look how rough you look. You look so rough. It'll be all over soon. Okay, come on. Let's go eat something and go to bed, okay? 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 You want to give kisses? Do you want to give? Why are you flirting? Give kisses. Come on. Give kisses. Say goodnight to everybody. Say bye-bye. Say bye.